Hey, what is up everybody? Today's video, we're gonna show you how you can screen mirror any phone to any TV without Wi-Fi. And just to prove it to you that I am not connected to any Wi-Fi, as you can see, I am not connected. Actually, just to be on the safe side, I'm just gonna enable the airplane mode. That means every device, everything is disconnected, and as you can see, we're not disconnected. This will work with literally any TV you have or any phone you have. So let's just dive right into it. Hey, what is up everybody? I'm Riz, and today's awesome video, I'm gonna show you how you can connect any phone, it doesn't matter what phone you have, to your TV without Wi-Fi. And it does not matter what TV you have. This will work with literally any phone and any TV you have. To do this, we're gonna be using a video transmitter kit. This is a wireless video transmitter kit from Amazon. So all the links will be in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. Basically, these two things, right? These two things, one will directly go into your TV and one will go into your phone. These are kind of like wireless HDMI cables, pretty simple. Now you might be asking me, how are you gonna put this thing into any phone, right? Now this does not go into any phone. So we'll be using a Type-C to HDMI adapter. This is basically, this will go right, let me just show you before I actually jump into the video, right? So this will go directly into your phone, any phone, right? Now this will plug directly into this thing. So let me just do that. You really have to do it with one hand. Okay, so let me just do this. Okay, so plug this in, this will look kind of like this. Yeah, this looks bulky, but trust me, if you're traveling, if you don't have any Wi-Fi connection, or your TV is not smart TV, this is really helpful and this is really awesome. All the links will be in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. Now let's just dive right into it. Okay, first up, we need to install this transmitter into the TV. Pretty standard, pretty simple, as this is HDMI cable and all the TVs have HDMIs in the back. Okay, now to power this thing up, we'll be using a USB that will also go into the TV. So just plug the USB into the TV and power this thing right up. So let me just plug this in first. Now let's just plug this thing along with a USB cable that will power it up. So let's do that. Okay, so once you install the transmitter into your TV, now what you need to do is to head over to your sources option. In this case, I have a dedicated option right at the top, so just tap on it. It will give you all the USBs or all the HDMI cables that are available to you. So in this case, I have a TV and an HDMI cable. All you have to do is just go to the HDMI cable and just tap on it. And you will see something like this. This is not exactly the screen that you will see, but this is something that's similar. Basically, we have installed a transmitter into the TV. Now what we need to do is put the receiver into the mobile phone or any mobile phone you have. So let's do that. Okay, so we have the receiver for the phone, right? And it's plugged into the adapter that will go into the phone. And this is Type-C, obviously. Now what we need to do is to power this thing up. We'll just take it from the phone as well. So just plug this thing right in and take the power cable. This is just a power cable, and just put it inside and just put it into the receiver. It's pretty simple. So let's put this thing in, and there you go. We have pretty much everything we need. Now basically this is getting powered from the phone which we'll put in, right? This is pretty cool. So let's just put the phone in and let's do this. Once you plug this thing in, it will ask you to wait a couple seconds. So okay, so we have connected our phone to the TV. By the way, make sure the connection is stable. Hey, it's still doing that, so just give it a couple notches, give it a couple squeezes here and there. Okay, so took me a couple seconds, but it's back and we are connected. By the way, also I have connected the transmitter to a power bank at the moment. I'm not using the power from my Fold 7. I don't want that. Also, bear in mind that not all devices are compatible with the wireless HDMI transmitter thingy. Okay, this is Samsung and it's working at the moment. Right now it looks pretty fine to me. And if you use, let me just see if it's working. Yep, it's pretty tight. Let me just yeah, it's just there's no lag at all. So let me just zoom in on this thing, and you can see the zooming in on the zooming actually works. So let me just zoom in. There you go. Yeah, zooming in works, everything works, pretty cool. And also let me just turn up the Wi-Fi so you don't have to, so you don't think that I'm using Wi-Fi or anything. Okay, at this moment it looks pretty cool. Everything is working pretty fine. You don't have to do anything. Also, as again, all the links will be in the description box below. Now here's a pro tip. Okay, so as you can see, we're connected, but if you're using a Samsung, and this will work with limited devices, okay? In this case, this is a Samsung, and if you're using a Samsung and you don't see your display, basically you have to go into the settings page, go into the settings, go into the connected devices settings. Now, inside the connected devices, you want to go into the Samsung DAX. Now, in this case, as you can see, I am connected right now, but yours might be different, okay? Go to the connected device and make sure it's not extended. If you click on extend, basically it will do is just open up DAX on your TV. So we don't want that, we just want to be mirrored. So click on the mirror option right there, and there you go, we're mirrored. Pretty cool. Again, be aware that this will not work with all Android phones, okay? It works with all the latest Android phones, but again, if you're using a Samsung, it's pretty plug and play. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, pretty awesome. If you want to disconnect it, just remove the Type-C cable, and that's it. If you want to do this again, just plug the Type-C inside, and it will just give it a couple seconds and should be connected in a couple seconds. There you go. Pretty awesome, right? Well, that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.